Today we have equation a square minus b square is equal to 64. Equation number 1. AB is equal to 8 and find the value of a plus b. Solution. Let's S is equal to a plus b and solution. S is equal to a plus b and d is equal to a minus b. Equation number 1, a square minus b square is equal to 64 can be written as a plus b into a minus b is equal to 64. As we know, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to 64. Now with the help of supposition, st is equal to 64 because s is equal to a plus b and d is equal to a minus b, as we can see in our above operation. And we know that ab is equal to 8. Now s square minus d square is equal to s minus d into s plus d. The same formula is used. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So s square minus d square is equal to s minus d into s plus d. S minus d, putting the values, s is equal to a plus b minus a minus b, give the result a plus b minus a minus plus b, we will get 2b. A and minus a will be cancelled to each other. S is equal to a plus b and d is equal to a minus b are all our suppositions that a plus b is equal to s and a minus b is equal to d. These are our suppositions. Now we will find the value of s plus d. S plus d, putting the values a plus b plus a minus b. Now plus b and minus b will be cancelled to each other and we will get 2a. In subtraction we get 2b and adding we get 2a. Put the values of s minus d and s plus d in equation 2. So equation becomes s square minus d square is equal to 2b into 2a is equal to 4ab. 2 to the 4 and becomes 4ab. So s square minus d square is equal to 4ab. But initially you get the equation of AB is equal to 8. Put the value of AB. 8 4s are 20. 8 4s are 32. It's given. SD is equal to 64. D is equal to 64 over S. Since equation becomes S square minus putting the value of D square, 64 over S is equal to 32. So it becomes S square minus 64 over S whole square minus 32 is equal to 0. Multiplying by this equation by S square to get the equation in the form of quadratic equation. Multiplying this equation by S square, so we get S4 minus 64 square. S square will be cancelled. Minus 32 S square is equal to 0. After arranging S4 minus 32 S square minus 64 whole square is equal to 1496 equal to 0. It becomes in the form of quadratic equation. Let S square is equal to X, so becomes X square minus 32X minus 1496 is equal to 0. By using the quadratic formula, X is equal to minus B plus and minus under root B square minus 4AC over 2A. Putting the values minus 32 plus and minus under root minus 32 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1496 over 2 into 1. Minus minus plus 32 plus and minus, all calculation will give the result 1748 17408 divided by 2. Now the calculations with the help of calculator. 64 whole square multiplied by 17. 64 will come out from the root. Now 2, take 2 as a common and cancelled by the divided by 2. So we get the X is equal to 16 plus 32 under root 70. S square is equal to 16 plus 32 under root 17. As a result, S is equal to A plus B. S square is equal to A plus B whole square a plus b whole square is equal to 16 plus 32 under root 70. Taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides, then equation we get a plus b is equal to 16 plus and minus 32 under root 17. Now 16 is a common from the both terms. 32 16 is a common, plus and minus 2 under root 17. The root of 16 is equal to 4. So we have a term in the form of answer 1 plus and minus 2 under root 17 is equal to a plus b is the required answer of the given problem. So the answer of the a plus b is given as we can see on the screen, which is the required answer.